So join me on this little walkthrough tour of the Cocana Sunset Club. We're on the sunset side of Gili at the moment. Time of filming, we're filming in end of February 2025. This is just a really quick overview of the resort. So if you're staying here and you want to know what to expect, what it looks like, what the beach is like, what the bar's like, what the layout of the hotel is, this is the video. It's not a room review, I'm not staying here. Just popped here the other day for a little look around, so I just thought I'd come and give you a quick video to start with what it looks like. If for any part of the video it goes very quiet for a reason, it's just I've had to mute for copyright reasons on YouTube. If you do like this kind of content and you want to support my little channel, help it grow, subscribe, give the video a like. If you know anyone who's coming to Gili or who's thinking of coming around this area, why not share the video with them? Okay, so we're obviously beachside here, and now we're going to go through and check the resort out. It's low season at the moment, so the weather can be a little bit hit and miss. You've got everything from glorious sunshine like you see today, and then later on in the afternoon it's almost monsoon type rain, so it really can be a little bit hit and miss. You are away from the harbour here, so if you're travelling here and you want to get your luggage here, you hire these little horse and carts, and they'll bring you from the harbour where you get the boat over, yourself and your luggage. Varying price, I'm not quite sure how much it costs here, but I should imagine it may be around about 300. They do have set prices here, and you can book these with your hotel. Okay, so if you've stayed here before and you've got any comments about good rooms or local restaurants that you want to share,
Hello, how are you, brother?
I'm fine. How about you?
Good, good.
please leave a comment. And anyone travelling here, it just lets them know any good tips. Okay, so first thing I've noticed, nice easy access into the pool, which is great. Lovely shallow area for the kids. These sunbeds are currently in the shade, which is absolutely lovely. You've got a little bit of shade here in the morning, but the sunset's over here, so maybe later on in the evening you're going to get some shade off these here. But midday, I think you're going to suffer with no shade in the pool. So if you're fair skinned like me, you might be suffering a little bit of sunburn if you're not careful. Reception, nice little touch, give you brollies, just emphasises the fact it rains everywhere. If your villa's a little bit further back, we'll take you to your room and the little beach buggy, which is quite nice. We'll have a little wander down here. So what we have got, we've got a gym and a spa as well. So you want to keep in trim. I'm not going to walk too far back. So all these are going to be private villas. Morning.
How are you?
Oh, good, thank you. Okay. I think you're getting the idea here. All the rooms are located here at the back. Let's just go back to the front to where the restaurant area is, and where you get your breakfast, do dining, etc. Morning.
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 How are you?
Oh, good, thank you. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
All good.
Thank you.
Morning. Oh, you're obviously your spa. Morning. Oh, in fact, I'll just nip through and just show you the gym while I'm here. I know some people are keen on this kind of stuff. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Small gym. Aircon is on, so it's nice and cold in here. Some free weights going on. Okay. Just a quick overview of the gym. If you caught me in the mirror there, you'll realise that I'm not really a gym person. Okay, let's carry on. Oops. General first impressions of the place, it's pretty much top end for the island. There are a few resorts like this, but this is one of the nicer looking ones, I must admit. Looks nice and new, nice and clean, nice and fresh with all the colours being white. Beautiful. There you go, back over there again. Yeah, really nice. Morning.
Morning, how's it going, sir?
Oh, good, thank you. And then obviously we're just coming into the breakfast area now, buffet style. Let's whiz you through the buffet. Morning.
Morning.
Fruits, cheeses, yogurts, pretty standard stuff. Omelette station over here. No, I'm good. Well, good filming, thank you. Fresh pastries, toast. Quite a nice selection. You got lots of fans here to keep you cool. Okay, so that's pretty much a walkthrough. Just gives people an idea of just staying here, what it looks like, what to expect, condition of the property, the overall layout. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. And I will finish with a view of the beach. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.